video we'll take a look at the platelets and thrombocytes. So platelets and thrombocytes. Now we talked about RBC, that is erythrocytes, and then WBC, that is leukocytes. Now the third formed element in the blood is platelets and thrombocytes. Now there is a slight difference between platelets and thrombocytes. Platelets are not equal to thrombocytes, but there is a slight difference between them. These platelets, the platelets are found in mammals. Found only in mammals. These platelets, they are found only in mammals. These thrombocytes, they are found in all vertebrates except mammals. So the thrombocytes, they are found in all vertebrates but in those vertebrates there is no mammals, so except mammals. So this is the small difference between platelets and thrombocytes. The function and everything is same only, but this is the small difference that is there between platelets and thrombocytes. Now let's talk about platelets. These platelets, so we looked at the difference. The platelets, they are produced from megakaryocytes of the bone marrow. So produced, they are also formed in the bone marrow like all the other formed elements, but we are being very specific here. They are produced from the megakaryocytes of bone marrow, of the red bone marrow. So this is the formation of these platelets. Now the platelets are enucleated. They are enucleated. That means they don't have a nucleus. So we saw that erythrocytes, the RBCs, they also are enucleated. WBCs are nucleated, but again platelets are enucleated. That means they don't have a nucleus. Now the size is around 2 to 3 microns. 2 to 3 microns, so they are very small in size. So this is the size. The lifespan is 7 to 10 days. So it's just 7 to 10 days. After 7 to 10 days, they actually get destroyed. So the platelets lifespan is 7 to 10 days. RBCs, it is 120 days. So that's a lot. In platelets, it's a bit less, 7 to 10 days only. They live for 7 to 10 days. Now, if there is a decrease in platelets, decrease in the number of platelets, that is known as, the condition is known as thrombocytopenia. So this is what we call as the condition where platelet number is less. If there is an increase in the number of platelets, so increase in the number of platelets is known as thrombocytosis. So cytosis means more and more are being formed. So increase in platelets is thrombocytosis. Decrease in the number of platelets is known as thrombocytopenia. the function of platelets is, it's very obvious, they help in blood clotting. Help in blood clotting. So blood clotting, so these platelets, they actually release some clotting factors, and with those clotting factors, those clotting factors are actually involved in the process of coagulation of blood. So they actually form a clot on the skin or on the wound, and it looks like a thread. That is actually the fibrin. So the main function of these platelets is they help in the blood clotting. So this is about platelets. Now these platelets, the shape of the platelets is oval in shape. They look like this. Now let's talk about the thrombocytes. So here we are discussing about thrombocytes. Now the thrombocytes also help in blood clotting, and we saw that they are found in all the vertebrates except mammals. They also help in blood clotting. Blood clotting, same thing, same function as platelets, but they are found in all vertebrates except mammals. Now the shape is a bit different from platelets. The shape is more spindle. So like this. So these are more spindle in shape. So this somewhat is like this. So it is spindle shaped. Platelets, their shape is oval. There is no nucleus inside. In thrombocytes, there is a nucleus. So nucleus is present. So they are nucleated cells. Nucleated. Platelets are enucleated. So in this video we discussed about platelets and thrombocytes. Let's summarize. Platelets are found in only in mammals, not in any other vertebrates. They are not present in all those ones. Only in mammals, and they are produced from the megakaryocytes. Enucleated, there is no nucleus. Size is 2 to 3 microns. The lifespan is around 7 to 10 days. The decrease in the number of platelets is thrombocytopenia. Increase in the number of platelets is thrombocytosis. And they help in blood clotting. These also help in blood clotting. The same function, but the only difference is in where they are found in, and the shape of the cell, and the presence or absence of nucleus. So in this video we discussed about the platelets and the thrombocytes.